tutorial is based on data collection using Google Forms. We will learn how to create a Google form, how to add questions to a Google form, how to collect and download data files from a Google form. Thanks to Google for providing such a wonderful tool. Google Form is one of the most popular survey and data collection tool today. It's very simple to use, no software installation is required, free for personal use, and it creates infographic charts automatically. During demonstration, I will show you 3 simple steps. Step number 1, set up a new Google form. Step number 2, add your questions. Step number 3, send your form to participants. So ready to build your first survey? Let's go to forms.google.com. Start your browser and open forms.google.com webpage. Now, as this is a product of Google, you need one Gmail account. So I'm using my Gmail account. After successful login into Google Forms, you will get screen like this. Now let's follow step number 1. We will be creating blank Google form. So just click on this plus sign and you will get your blank Google form like this. Let's give appropriate name to this form. Survey form 1. Here you can write description. This is data collection demo using Google Form. This is the place where you can write your questions. Let's write our first question. What is your name? And see, this is the question. In response to this, participant will write something and that will be considered as a short answer. So these are the various options that you can select. Short answer is the best appropriate answer category for this question. Now let's add one more question. So go to this plus button. This time let's add question. Select your gender. And these are the options: male, female, and prefer not to answer. So these are the 3 options that we want to keep. Now this is the button using which you can see the preview of this form. So let's see the preview first. Form looks good. Let's add data and let's submit this. So data is submitted. Let's see the original form, and you can see here is one response which is received, and this is the response received from the participant. Now let's add one more question. So just go to this question and let's add one more question of different category. So let's ask, enter your address. So now address is the field where we may get multiple lines. So that is why paragraph is the appropriate answer category. Then let's add one more question, and this is regarding select your hobbies. Now let's make this form little colorful. Go to this customize theme button. Select your image that you want to add. And then just insert it. You can also select the background of your form. So this is, you can see the effect of background, and you can select font style also. So this is how you can make your form colorful. Now let's see the preview. Now let's add sample data again. Prefer not to say, address, and select your hobbies, maybe multiple hobbies, and in case of other you can also write. And anything which you want to mention, then just submit. So response is recorded. Let's see. Now we have 2 responses from 2 different users, and see the beauty of this Google form. The charts are automatically generated as and when new records are inserted. Now let's collect data from participants. For that we have to send this form. So these are our questions and this is the send button. So just click on this send button. You will get some options, the way in which you want to send it to the participant. So the first one is through send via email. You can also create a link which you can copy, and through normal email you can send it to multiple users. You can also send your form through your social media account. Let's send this link through normal email. So just copy this link and draft your email. I have already drafted one email just to save our time, and then just copy this and paste it to your normal email. This is a normal Gmail. Just copy your message with link, paste it here, make sure to link it, and then add the participant email address here. This is the sample email received by participant. Just click on this link, just add your data. Mr. Shah, mail address, Mumbai, writing, traveling, and just submit. So data is now submitted. Now last part of the tutorial, downloading responses received. So we have total 3 responses received. Just give appropriate name to your form, and then we have 2 options available. One is directly you can download responses in .csv file. So here is your file which is downloaded. Another way to download response is create your spreadsheet. Your spreadsheet will be created under your Google Drive. So just create it, and you can see these are the responses received which you can download according to your file format requirement. So this is how collecting data using Google Form is very simple. Google Form also provides many advanced functionalities that we will learn in our upcoming video. Till then, enjoy.